Hello friends, today we will discuss about JPYINR and this is JPYINR weekly chart. So if you see JPYINR weekly chart, we are bearish in JPYINR and look at this confluence zone of 59.50 and 59.70. I mentioned about bearishness in JPYINR from 59.50 and it all came down from 59.50 to 55 almost. Last time I mentioned we went long around 55 zone and it came up till 59, 59.50. So 59.50 is a strong rejection zone and it came down, JPYNR came down from 64 to 59.15 again bounced. Then it broke this, right? It retested and again retested. So now again this is 55 zone and JPYNR again coming down. So I'm expecting again a small slight pullback from 59 zone and one can look for a long opportunity with very small stop loss. Overall, I am bearish in JPYNR. If we look at this chart in JPYNR, then it is clearly showing there is no demand in price. So price is making a higher high, but RSI is making a lower low. So overall structure is bearish in JPYNR and JPYNR can touch 54.80 and 55 zone, right? And if we see this chart, then 54 50 54 80 and 50 54 80, this 54 80 and 55 zone uh, is a good bullish zone. If you are looking for a long opportunity, then look for a long around here in this zone. I mentioned the zone around this zone, right? Some to and pullback can come till 57.50 and 58 zone, right? So if you are looking for a long opportunity, then look for buying opportunity around 15.480 and 55 zone. Upside is open till 56.50 and 56.80 zone. Otherwise, overall JPYNR is bearish only and look for a every pullback as a shorting opportunity only, right? So if you are a short and if you shorted somewhere around 59-58 zone, then book your profit somewhere around 55 zone. Then again wait for a pullback, and pullback, if pullback comes somewhere around 56.50, 56.80, then again short from here, right? Another prospect which I have given you, if you are looking for a long opportunity, then look somewhere around 54.80 and 55 zone. Look for a buying opportunity around this zone. Upside is open till 56.50 and 56.80. Now, if we look at this Japanese yen currency index, then it is available in trading view only. It is not available with investing.com. Then it is again coming around 65, 80 and 66 zone. Earlier, it made a low around 22, October 22, 2022. Then again made a double top somewhere around November. And I mentioned, those who follow me since then I mentioned that I'm looking for a long opportunity by looking after Japanese yen index only. And Japanese yen JPYNR went nicely from 55 to 59, and JXY is also bounced from 66 to 71 zone. Now again from 71 zone it is coming around to touch this zone again. So I'm expecting a kind of a triple bottom, and again JXY can bounce. And the reason is simple, RSI is showing a good demand here. And this is weekly chart. So RSI is showing a very good demand in this JXY chart. So I'm expecting JXY to touch 65-80 zone again and again bounce towards 71-72 zone, right? So something like this I am expecting, at least till 71 or above it 72, right? So this is my probable direction for JXY in coming weeks, right? So that is why I am saying JPYNR can come down to touch 54.80 zone and we can look for a long opportunity here, right? It will also make a kind of a triple bottom just like JXY. So JXY works similar like a DXY. DXY is dollar index and JXY is a Japanese yen index, right? So I have explained a multi-time frame analysis with JPYNR. This is weekly chart of JPYNR, and with RSI I have showed that there is no demand. So if you are looking for a buying opportunity, then look somewhere around 54.80 and 55, and upside would be open somewhere around 56.50 and 56.80. Otherwise, if you are a bearish, then use every rise as a short opportunity, right? If you have any doubt, then please let me know. So I've explained the dollar JXY, that is Japanese yen index, and Japanese yen index is a basket of yen. Similarly, the dollar index. Similarly, just like the dollar index, just like a dollar index is a basket of dollars, right? So JPY INR we have discussed with RSI. I have explained both scenario. If you are looking for a long opportunity, then look for this zone. If you are a shorting opportunity, then look for a pullback, and it can bounce a bit. So consider this bounce as a pullback only, right? View is a bearish only, and if you are looking for a long opportunity, then look for a greater risk reward. So enter somewhere around here with a proper risk, with a small risk, and for great reward. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Thank you.